In this video, I'll show you how to create and add custom metadata fields in Webflow. If your dynamic pages are pulling generic or incorrect information into search engine results, there is a specific way to structure your CMS to fix it. We are going to build a custom SEO setup from scratch, giving you full technical control over the meta tags for every single post you publish. First, head over to your CMS Collections panel and open the settings for your specific collection, like blog posts. Scroll down to your collection fields and click to add a new field. Choose Plain Text. Label it Meta Title and save the field. Then, repeat that exact same step to create a second plain text field, this time labeling it Meta Description. Make sure to save the entire collection. Next, open up one of your existing CMS items. Scroll down past your main content and you'll find those newly created custom fields at the bottom. Go ahead and type in a unique, highly targeted title and description just for this specific post. Then save your changes. Now we need to connect this data to the site. Open your Pages menu and click the gear icon next to your CMS template page to access its settings. Scroll down to the SEO settings section. Instead of writing static text, click Add Field on the title tag and select your new meta title variable from the dropdown. Do the exact same for the meta description tag, linking it to your custom description field. Publish your site to push these changes live. To verify everything is working exactly as intended, open the live URL of that blog post. Right-click and inspect the page. If you check the head tags in your source code, you'll see your custom metadata perfectly injected and ready for search engines.